Hello, Bring a Trailer on YouTube. My name is Bernardo. Welcome to the Car Finder Garage. This is a cold start video for the 1995 GMC Sierra 1500 four-wheel drive short bed with the step side. This hasn't been turned on since last week, probably around Thursday or Friday. I think Thursday or Wednesday of last week. It is now Monday, so it's about 4 or 5 days. Took pictures of the paint meter reading as well. It's all original paint. Absolute cold start here, as you can see. Solid oil pressure right away. There's dummy lights that go off. CO lights still flashing because I'm not wearing a seatbelt. Cool levels where it says cold. When it gets hot, that's where it goes. When it's cold, it stays down there. So coolant's cold. Alright, and that's the cold start video. Thank you for tuning in and God bless.